Welcome. Today we're going to look at how we can format the date of birth in different styles. This is USA style, this is European style, and this is different style, custom style that you have. So in today's video, we're going to look at how can we do this? How can we put change the date of birth in different style, different format, the easiest way and the fastest way. Stay tuned. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at step-by-step procedure on how you can change the date format, the date of birth format in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to look at how to put it in USA format, Euro format, and other custom styles that you can set it depending on what your client wants you to do for him or her. So basically, if you look at this, we have the names of the individuals, the date of birth, which have duplicated in each of the columns. So what we're going to do first is to ensure that this date of birth is in date format, USA format, Euro format, and other styles. So to do this, what you need to do is to select the date that you want to format. Once you select it, you come over to Home tab, click on the Home tab, then move to the number section, then click on this drop down arrow, which is the number format. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see this number alignment and so on. Ensure it's on the number, then you move to date. So once you come over here, once you click on the date, you move to the locale. Probably your client wants you to put it in United States. It's already in United States, but what if it's not in United States? Click on this arrow here, then you select United States. Once you select United States, then you click on what? Okay, or you can choose any style of the United States you want. Ensure the United States is always month, day, and what? Year. So I can decide to choose this. Once I choose this, then I click on what? Okay. You can see everything automatically changes to the first one should be the month, the second one should be the day, and the third one should be the what? Year. Probably you don't like this format, you can still change it to the format that you prefer. So let's look at the Europe. Europe can be the European countries. Most of them use the format of day, month, and year. So the day comes first. So what you need to do, the first step one, select the date that you want to format. Once you select the date, you move to your Home tab, then move over to number format. Click on this arrow here. Once you click on it, then you select what? Date. Once you select on date, you go to locale again and change it to what? United Kingdom. Once you change it to United Kingdom, it automatically changes to the United Kingdom format, which is what? Day, month, and what? Year. So you can see it now, day, month, and year. You can choose any day, month, and year of your choice. Probably first one, let's say we choose the first one, then we'll click on what? Okay. Once you do that, you can see it is arranging what? The day, month, and year, while the US is arranging what? Month, day, and what? Year. So this is basically the US format and the Euro format, and some other countries also use this European format. So let's move to the other custom style. Probably your client wants you to show the day. Is it Wednesday? Is it Tuesday? Is it whatever it is? So you can use it. You can select the date you want to format first. That's the first thing. Then you go to Home. Under Home, you go to Home. Under Home, you go to the number format, or you can simply use the shortcut form. The shortcut format is what? Control plus one. Control one. Once you click on Control plus one, you're going to bring it to this dialog box straight ahead. And once you do that, you can go to custom. Custom, under custom, you can see different format. You can see different formats. You can see month, day, year. You can see day and month only. Probably your client wants you to put it in only day and month. So if your client wants you to put it in only day and month, you can simply select day and month, or you come over here and you type whatever your client wants you to do. So you can type it day, you can type it and year. Okay, let's say day and year, or no, let's say month and year. Probably you don't want your client to know the actual day you were born. So you click on OK. Once you've typed in down, click on OK. You can see this is now month and year. The actual day was not what given. So month and what? Year. So this is it. So let's say your clients want you to show the exact day. Is it Wednesday? Or you can select it. Once you select this date you want to format, then you click on Control plus one on your keyboard. Once you click on Control plus one on your keyboard, you click on date. Under date, you can see different formats of dates here. You can, let's say, you can see different formats of date. Let's use, let me use United States. So you can see different format of days. You can see Wednesday, March 4th. You can see, so it shows the actual day. Is it a Wednesday? Is it a Tuesday? Depending on what your client wants. So you can also do that. You can use custom method and write out what your client wants. You can include time and so on. So let's just select this one. Then you click on what? Okay. You can see it automatically formats to this format. So it depends on what you want and what your client wants basically, because you're working for your client. So depending on what your client wants, so you format it the way he or she wants it. So do the last one. Control+1 brings you to this formatting tab, which is the format cell tab for number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. Then you click on date, or you just click on custom. Under custom, you write what you want here. Then you put it. Maybe you want time to show. You can just look for where they have time, or you simply go to date and look for the actual format that has whatever your client is looking asking for. You can see this is day and month. You can just click on day and month, and basically you can select maybe United Kingdom format that you want it to be. You can select it there, day and month, or day and month and year, depending on what he or she wants. So you basically select what you got there. So once you do that, now it automatically changes. So this is basically how you can change date format in Microsoft Excel the easiest and simplest way. Remember, the short form for you to get the format set for date is what? Control+1. Instead of you going over to home, then going to this place and getting it out, you just simply what? Typing, click on Control+1 on your keyboard, and it brings you straight to this allow button. So if you enjoy this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, because I'll keep on giving you awesome videos on Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. So if you have any video suggestion or you want us to treat, you can also leave it down in the comment below. So this is basically how to do it. So see you next in my upcoming videos. Bye.